Hello again, this is Tim Lloyd from GMAT.cz, part of Gain Access in Prague in the Czech Republic. This is another question from Sandeep Gupta's advanced set. I wouldn't put it at above 700. In my opinion, it's between 6 and say 650. But the principle is we're dealing with a set of values. We're then going to add couple of variables to that set of values. It will change the total, it will change the mean. We're given some help from the question stem with regard to what that actually is going to do to the overall value as a percentage increase. This enables us to then move into the next phase of the question involving a quadratic. It turns out to be a perfect square, because it's one of those basic golden quadratic relationships. So that's just an introduction and overview. If you need to make a few notes on the question stem, pause it, have a think, and then maybe plan how you do this question yourself, and then I'll move forward. With this set of questions, as you know, as I've mentioned previously, and thank you for your feedback on this, we do assume you are regularly scoring above 600 in practice tests, and therefore we don't need to cover too much basic information. We have plenty of other videos which help with the fundamentals and foundations necessary to build the skills and confidence you need in order to achieve a very, very satisfactory GMAT score. We all want that magic 700. These types of questions you should be able to do in about 1 minute if you're going to score that high. Okay, as you can see, all I'm doing here is calculating the mean of this set, which turns out to be 8. 32 divided by 4 is 8. We're then told that mean increases by 25%. I'm a fraction person, reason being there's no calculator on GMAT, and therefore it makes more sense, generally speaking, to go for fractions instead of decimals. An increase of 25% is a fractional multiple of 5 over 4. So 5 over 4 times 8, which is 10, gives us the new average, or mean if you like, when we've added n and k to this set, so nothing too complicated. Now, if we know that the mean is 10, we can now calculate the total, but let's just take a moment and reason through what the question's asking us about. We've got n squared plus 2n plus k squared. Well, that is just n plus k squared. We would expect you to notice that, spot it immediately, and start, if you're going to score above 700, start moving towards calculating n plus k. If you've got questions on that theory, fire me an email or a message via social media, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we know that because number of terms 6 multiplied by mean is 10 gives us 60, then n plus k plus the 32 is 60. Therefore, very simply, n plus k is 60 minus 32, which is 28. We're interested in n plus k squared. I'm a big fan of using the units digit trick here. If you look at the answer choices, categorize them according to their units digit. The units digit we're looking for is a 4. Reason being, if we take the 28 times 28 gives us 8 squared, is 64 of a units digit focus. Therefore, the 4 from the 64 is what we're after. However, C we can cancel immediately, leaving us only D because we haven't even started calculating the 20s in the 28. So run through that again if you need to. It's a very quick way to get to a final answer through process of elimination. Just to prove it to you for good fun and practice and all that technique, we're going to do 28 squared. You never know, you might need to do long multiplication. 8 times 8, 64, the 6 carries, 2 times 8, 16, 16 plus 2 is 22, that gives us 224. The 20, well, we put the 0, then we do the 2 8s, 16, carry the 1, 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 is 5, 224 plus 260 is 784. D it is, double check, done, no problem. So for an average test taker who's going to score 550, that question, yeah, you can handle it maybe in a couple of minutes, bit of thought process, and it's really low-hanging fruit for someone who's going to score above 700, and I categorize that as a door opener. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for Mr. Sandeep Gupta and his fantastic set of advanced questions. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other videos, you can click the link on the videos or contact me or us directly via social media. We have a few playlists for other exams, TOEFL, SAT, etc. We also have a lot of advice for MBA applications, college applications in general via Facebook. So follow us on that if you like. And also we have a ton of pins on Pinterest which will take you through to hundreds of different tips, tricks and pieces of advice. As I said, looking forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.